Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial for LiveScore. LiveScore Viewer is a Max for Live device that allows viewing and editing MIDI clips in standard music notation, or commonly sheet music, inside Ableton Live. The device is included in the installation of LiveScore and MaxScore. In this video, we will show you how you can edit any MIDI clip using music notation in your Ableton Live session. Please note that the LiveScore viewer is only for a quick edit of MIDI clips. If you need extensive functionality, please use the LiveScore editor. Here, we have a MIDI clip created from our last tutorial, and LiveScore viewer is loaded in the device chain. When we select the clip, we can already see music notation here. If you need help viewing music notation with LiveScore viewer, please watch the previous tutorial. Let's add a bar of music into the existing MIDI clip. On the right, click on the Add button. Scrolling to the right, we see the new bar added. To add some notes, double-click on the staff line. By default, notes added are in the duration of a quarter note. Going to the clip view, we see that the MIDI clip is updated in the piano roll. Now, let's go back to LiveScore viewer. To change the pitch of a note, click on the note to select it. You can see it turning blue, meaning it is selected. Now hold the Command key. You can see that the cursor becomes a pair of arrows. Now continue holding the Command key and drag on the note to move it upwards or downwards. If we need to change the pitch a semitone higher, press U. To change it a semitone lower, press J. Don't worry if you don't remember the keyboard shortcuts, as you can always refer to them by clicking here. To change the pitch one octave higher, press O. For an octave lower, press L. Now let's change the duration of the notes. To double the duration, press D. To half the duration, press H. Let's turn these three notes into a triplet. Click on the first note to turn it blue, and then hold Shift and click on the last note to select all three. Press 3 and these notes are now a triplet. To cancel the triplet, press 0. Similarly, you can turn notes into higher tuplets by pressing the corresponding odd numbers. To create dotted notes, press dot. Press again and it turns into a double dotted note. Press the dot key once more to cancel. To create a rest from the note, press R and you get a rest of the same duration. You can also copy, cut, and paste. Press C to copy and V to paste. Press X to cut. We can paste it here. For more functionality, LiveScore Editor provides a graphical user interface that features more extensive editing of music scores, including creating a full score, generating PDFs, and graphics. For the LiveScore Editor, please watch the respective tutorials. That's all for this tutorial. If you find this video useful, please click on the like button, or if you have questions or issues to report, please comment down below. See you in our other tutorials!